we'll see the motor configured for ag configuration come down and sway the runway to try and make it longer for this massive C-17 that will be in later on today. Here she goes, the old fella. Major Sir Tim pulling Venison out of the mountains a few years ago in the 1970s, 60s and 70s in that very aircraft. That's the third one he's owned, as Grant said. One or two have had the miss-ups and the tightness of the high country, but that's another story. Tim's still with us today to tell the story, which is fantastic. And if we look down the history. Look down the very far end there, you'll see the Notar doing what we call a torque turn, which is the rotary wing version of our fixed wing wing over.